Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious steak nachos at home. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final delicious assembly. This recipe is perfect for a quick meal or a fun party appetizer. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy-to-follow guide. Let's dive into making some truly amazing nachos. First, let's get that steak perfectly cooked. Pat your steak dry and season it well with your favorite spices. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Sear the steak for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for a nice medium rare. Remember to let it rest before slicing against the grain into thin strips.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. After you've enjoyed your delicious nachos, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making post-meal tidying a breeze. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the fun part, assembling your nachos. Spread a single layer of sturdy tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Evenly distribute your thinly sliced steak over the chips. Next, generously sprinkle shredded cheese like Monterey Jack or cheddar over everything. Don't forget your favorite toppings such as jalapenos or black beans. It's time to get those nachos perfectly melted and warm. Place your baking sheet into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, add fresh toppings like diced avocado, a dollop of sour cream, and some chopped cilantro. Serve immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.